all the time. Please support
It's a two-door version of this car. Same color. Oh, so that's how it sounds. All right, so the difference between Chevy service and BMW service right away is the ride. So if they don't have a loaner for you, they get you an Uber and they pay for the Uber. What kind of shit is that? The Chevy dealer was like, well, we don't have a way to get you back to your home. We only drive so far for our ride share program, so you kind of ass out. Another reason I traded the vet. But in any case, I'm finna drop the car off. I dropped the car off. It wasn't cheap to have this inspection done, $350, but if you're gonna buy a used BMER, you definitely want to have that sucker checked out, especially oil leaks. Because all BMWs are notorious for oil leaks. I don't care what model you buy. They get about 50,000 miles. You can pretty much expect the oil leak. And it just depends on how bad it is. But fortunately, oil leaks are covered under the warranty. So, they made this a convertible. This is a nice car. It's still too expensive, but it's a nice car. Like, it's sweet. Hello? Yeah, I am. You in the front? Yeah, I'll be out front. At the service department. All right. Who you picking up? Yeah, that's me. Going right down the street there. That's a good looking blue on that M3. So they found two bubbles. Okay, I didn't see that one.
Yeah, he marks them normally.
Yeah, I'll make them pay for that. All right, appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.